Your attention, please. Please do not smoke in the terminal.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and this video is the start of an incredible adventure as we travel all the way from San Francisco to the stunning Philippines. There's also going to be prices in the video in case if you want to go, check it out for yourself. Buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Alright guys, we're at the airport, bright and early. We've got our tickets ready and we're flying with EVA AIR, one of the best airlines out there. The price for this one was $1,269 for each ticket, and trust me, it's the best deal out there during this season. Now, here's the interesting part. Our trip falls right in the last 2 weeks of the school year, but thanks to our amazing school district, they allowed us to travel and submit homework online. How awesome is that? Alright guys, we boarded the plane and it's time to take off. Our flight departs at 1:20 a.m. and we're off to Taipei, Taiwan before we head to the Philippines. Let's go! Fast forward a few hours and we arrived in Taipei, Taiwan Taoyuan Airport. It's 5:30 in the morning and we're feeling a bit tired, but the excitement keeps us going. Finally, we've arrived in Manila, the vibrant capital of the city in the Philippines. It's 11:40 a.m. and the warm tropical breeze welcomes us. We can't wait to explore everything this beautiful country has to offer. Alright guys, we're making our way to the city. We've managed to secure a 15-seater van for only 2,500 pesos, which is about $45. It's a great deal, considering the convenience and space it provides for all of us and our luggage. Our first stop is the Sado Hotel in BGC, Taguig, where we'll be staying for 3 nights. We paid 26,314 pesos for the entire stay, and from what we've heard, it's a fantastic hotel in a bustling area. While we're here, we're also attending our uncle's wedding, which is going to be such a memorable event. We're really looking forward to celebrating with our family and experiencing the Filipino traditions. And that's a wrap for this episode, guys. We've had an incredible journey so far from the airport in America all the way to Manila. But that's not it. We're gonna dive deeper in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay awesome. Peace.